Hi everyone, welcome to week 25 of first grade. Hope everyone is doing well. This week we are done with our adding three numbers, and from what I saw, most of the kids are really understand that concept, so that's amazing. Now we're going to get back into subtraction. This time we're subtracting from up to 20. So that includes all the teen numbers, including 20. So subtraction is always a little bit trickier than addition. And this week we're going to be focusing on subtracting using a number line, which also can get tricky because they have learned and have been using number lines to add, which means they're jumping this way on the number line. But when we subtract, obviously we're going to be jumping the other way on the number line, so that can get a little bit tricky. So I'm going to show you a couple different ways that the number line can be used. Okay, so our problem is 17 take away 6. So if you're subtracting, doing true subtraction, you're going to start on the 17. And remember, you're going to count your jumps. You're not going to count your numbers. If they count their numbers, they don't get the correct answer. So you're going to count your jumps between each number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And of course, their answer would be 11. I counted my jumps. If I count my numbers, watch what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they would actually have gotten to 12 instead of 11, and they would have had the wrong number, the wrong answer. So make sure you reiterate over and over, count your jumps, count your jumps, count your jumps. Don't count your numbers. If they're having a really hard time and they're struggling counting backwards on the number line, because I know they've already learned to count forward on the number line, so it can be tricky to remember to go backwards, to go to the left rather than the right. You can start at the 6, and I don't have enough numbers on my number line, so let me, 7, 6. You can start at the 6 and count up to the 17. It's going to give them the same answer, but they're going the addition route instead of the subtraction route. Let me show you what I mean. Going to start at 6, and they're going to count their jumps up to 17. So they're going to stop at number 17, but they're going to count how many jumps it takes for them to get there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Still get that same answer. I would not use this unless your child is really confused by counting backwards, because it can confuse their brain again with, are we adding or are we subtracting? But some kids really just struggle with going backwards on the number line. In class, I'm really going to push going backwards on the number line, unless, like I said, unless I really see that they're struggling with that concept. And then I'll show each individual kid that needs it this other route. So this week, it's all about number line. Their homework will be in their binders. Remember, guys, you're only doing the work in your binders that are behind the red tab, the blue tab, and the purple tab. Not the red tab. The orange tab, the blue tab, and the purple tab. Those are your homework tabs. All the other two tabs, the yellow and the red tab, those are in school tabs. That's the work we're doing in class. So please don't do that work at home. But all their homework will be in their binder this week as worksheets, not in their math books. If you have any questions, of course, reach out to Miss Cindy or I. Hope you have a good week, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.